Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos taste better. Forget soggy chips and bland toppings. We're diving into simple yet impactful techniques. The foundation of great nachos starts with your chips, so pick a sturdy, flavorful variety. Next, we'll discuss how strategic layering prevents uneven distribution of deliciousness. Finally, discover why freshly grated cheese is a game changer for that perfect, gooey melt. Get ready to transform your nacho experience from good to absolutely incredible. Achieving the ultimate nacho experience involves more than just one type of cheese. Try blending a sharp cheddar with a creamy Monterey Jack for a richer, more dynamic profile. Pre-warming your meat or bean toppings ensures everything is hot throughout, not just the top layer. A squeeze of fresh lime juice over the finished dish can cut through richness and add a vibrant zest. These small steps make a huge difference in overall taste and texture. Proper assembly and baking are crucial for crispy, delicious nachos. Spread your chips in a single, or at most, double layer on a large sheet pan. This prevents them from steaming and becoming soggy. Don't overload the pan, give everything space to crisp up nicely in the oven. Save fresh ingredients like diced avocado, sour cream, or cilantro for after baking. This keeps them vibrant and cool, offering a delightful contrast to the warm, cheesy base. To truly elevate your nachos, consider incorporating unexpected flavor boosters. Roasted bell peppers, corn, or even sweet potatoes can add wonderful depth and a touch of sweetness. For an extra decadent touch, a homemade cheese sauce poured over the top ensures every chip is coated in gooey goodness. Remember, the best nachos are a balance of textures and tastes. And speaking of great reads, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals. Experiment with different spices and herbs to find your perfect combination. Enjoy your gourmet nacho creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.